Right, dickheads, I'm going to show you how to nail a tiny part of the A-level math syllabus now. A little fucked up thing we call implicit differentiation. Now, the reason this is so fucked up is because we're not only differentiating x, we're differentiating y as well, and sometimes fucking x and y. Now, here's the key. With the x things, we just differentiate it as normal. You fuckers know this by now. Bring the power down in front, minus 1 from the power, so that becomes 8x. Now, when we're differentiating the y values, we do it just the same as if they were x, but we just add a dy dx on the end of it. Don't ask why, just fucking do it. So it becomes 3y squared dy dx. Now, when we got these fuckers, x and y functions, shoved into one, we use a little bit of the product rule. So, the product rule will be the derivative of that times that, plus the derivative of that times that. So that's going to be the derivative of this. 3x squared becomes 6x. So that becomes 6x times that. Plus the derivative of that times that. Now remember, the derivative of y would differentiate just to 1. But then we stick a dy dx on the end. So it becomes dy dx times 3x squared. Okay, so now we've got these four fuckers. And we want to find dy dx. And of course it equals 0. Don't forget that. So we want to make dy dx a subject, so we group everything that's dy dx on one side and everything that's not on the other side, your classic algebra technique. So it becomes 3y squared dy dx plus 3x squared dy dx equals, shove these things, fuck them over onto the other side, minus 8x minus 6xy. Factorize out the dy dx. Fucking 3y squared plus 3x squared still equals minus 8x minus 6xy on that side. And then to get dy dx by itself, we move this by division over there. Dy dx equals minus 8x minus 6xy over 3y squared plus 3x squared. There you fucking go.